Hey sis, if you want to see how I achieved this sleek Chun-Li bun, stay tuned for this video. If you're looking for this makeup look, the link is down below. It's down below. Click it. Just click it. Just click it. It's okay. I know you're going to. Okay, sis, let's get into the video.
So first, I'm going to start off by grabbing my Cantu Curl Activator. I just put that on so that my edges are wet, so when I go to slick them, it's a little easier. So I do have rough textured hair. Now I'm just going to get the naps in the back because that kitchen is cooking. Okay. So it's only smoking because I'm using a flat iron, and I already had like oil on my hair because I laid my edges like a day ago and I didn't wash my hair. I'm just really trying to make sure that there are no naps left. Just brush that forward so it's nice and smooth. I'm just going to do the curl activator on the back of my hair again. Now next I'm going to grab my foam wrapping lotion from Cream of Nature. That just, same thing, it makes your hair wet before you go to lay it, but not too wet where it naps back up again. Now this I found at a beauty store. It's called 24-Hour Edge Tamer. I'm going to try to find it on Amazon and link it below. It's literally the best thing ever. Like, I don't know why I haven't found it sooner. Like, really? It reminds me of like the Blueberry Bliss type of thing. That's just a oil sheen. I spray that. I use any oil sheen though. It's all oil, so it's not really special. Now I'm gonna go in with my little toothbrush. I have like 7 brown toothbrushes and it's all from my edges, and try to like get my edges to lay how I need them to, and you just have to be really patient and go in. My braiding lady, who's no longer my braiding lady, went a little ham on the braids near the edges, and those things just pop, pop, pop. So when you're ponytailing your hair, you want to make sure like it's tight, because if it's not, it's gonna look really funny. We're supposed to have a slick bun because we're trying to do like, you know, Asian type Chinese, like slick. And now I'm just throwing the chopsticks in to complete the look. I didn't wrap my bun tight enough, so at the end and the beginning of the video you can see like the bun is like a little loose and you can see through it, but I fixed it after. And the last step, I just throw, if you really want your edges to be laid, this is like a wrapping paper from like a hair store. Just wrap that up, or you can even use like your silk scarves, put it on there for 10 minutes and you'll be all set, or however long your edges take to be laid.
Okay, this is the end of the tutorial for my Chun-Li bun. Yes, it's really just a bun with chopsticks, but I'm glad that you tuned in and you watched this video. Now you know how to do what I be doing in 2 seconds, and it looks like I just took 3 hours. So subscribe if you liked my tutorial. If you didn't like my tutorial, I still want you to give me a thumbs up because I took my time to create this great content, and I want everyone to see how I'm coming, okay? Cause I'm coming. Alright, this video was whenever somebody asks you about Melanie and Maya, tell them go watch that bitch video, okay? Have a good day, guys.